Alright, another little short flight with the Parkzone T-28 1.1 meter. Coming out on a China Hobby 3S 2200 40C discharge. This is the first T-28 that I've ever had the chance to fly, and basing on how it handles, I think I would like to try a larger one, not the big E-Flight one. That's a little too big for me as far as transportation goes, but maybe the FMS 1400. Actually was going to buy that when Horizon had 15% off, and procrastinated thinking about it, and by the time I decided to pull the trigger, went and put it in the cart, and it said back order. So I figured I'd just wait. It'll go on sale again. It's not like I need another plane anyway. I already got storage issue with the ones I got. This in here is a miser on the volts and amps. If I recall, when I flew this last time, I had about a 6-minute flight and checked my battery, and still had like 60% left in the tank. So I'm figuring you could probably get, on a 2200, you probably could get a good somewhere between 9-10 minutes on it. We'll find out today though. I'm not doing anything fancy, I'm just leisure flying to get that kind of time, of course. If you were maxing out the firewall the whole flight, and it may only be 5 minutes or so. I'm in low rates on everything also, by the way. Now we're high rates on the ailerons. We'll see what kind of roll rate she has. High speed, lateral climb. Not bad. Go back into low rates. Give us a little comparison. Same spot in the sky. Little climb. Yeah, low rate is just about scale. Give it full up elevator and see how she loops. She's falling out a little bit to the right. Plenty of elevator though. Super tight loop on low rate. There's the old timer. That's at 5 minutes. Full speed, going vertical. And she just ran out. Alright, we'll go ahead and try to start setting up for a landing. It does feel a little weaker on the punch out now, so I'm thinking that the battery may be a little short. Got to get it down here a little closer to us. There it is, T-28, Parkzone 1.1 meter. 3S 2200. Tipped it over. A little bit of wind out here. Gets up underneath that wing and we'll kick it over. Alright, decent little plane. Thanks for watching. Alright. Just landed the T-28, hopefully you can see that. 39% left in the tank, that was about 6 minutes. So, not bad.